Okay, so welcome in this video, right? So the thing is, I had a comment right from some subscribers or some fellow viewers whom I deal. Okay, and they were saying this isn't a program for any multiplication table and don't understand how you generate the five multiplication table. So let's go to the program. So I really made the program there, right? So let's go line by line. This is not kind of like important though, but the important part is the first line, number 6, where it says, okay, dim num is an integer. We are just declaring a num, our variable called num, is an integer data type, right? Okay, then this num is equals to console right read line, which means it's more like in C++. Cin capture the input which is typed on the console by the user. So that means any value entered by the user is going to be uh, stored in the num variable, right? Okay, this one is done. So now, in order to, let's say we are in grade 2 or grade something where we learn our multiplication, right? We always like multiply, let's say 5 by 0 up to 10, because that's our numeral number line, right? So that means here where I say 4a is equals to 0 to 9, that means I'm starting from 0 up to number 10. That means 0, 1, 2, 3. So if we input 3 later on, let's say, okay, let's say can you please give me the multiples of 5? Then I'm going to say 5, 10, 15, 20. Exactly, that means we are saying you're multiplying 5 times 0, 5 times 1, 5 times what, up to reach 10. Then your your teacher will be say, oh, congratulations, you know the multiples. The same thing when you do on multiplications of 9. We're going to say 9 times 0, or maybe you're doing at your school you do it differently, I don't know, but this is the simple one which I've done. On the console right, console right means we are printing something to the screen, right? What are we printing to the screen? We are printing a num, which is our value, let's say 7, and we are printing a, which is 0, 1, 2, or 10. Then this, we are saying 7 times 0 is going to give us a number, because it's an output. It's outputting the multiplication of num and our number line from 0 up to 10, just like that, nothing else. Then if you run it, the multiplication, if you run it, you see it will ask us to enter 5. Enter 5, it's going to give us a multiplication table of 0, 5, 10. Unless if you need another one, please get in touch with me. Okay, let's test it with number 9, right? 9, let's go say 9, 18, 27, 36 up to 90. That's the multiplication table of 9. Maybe you need something which is going to give a multiplication of 1 times 1, and maybe you need just to 10 different multiplication tables. Maybe I understand that, but this is how you do it. When this is just a simple approach which I've done. Maybe it's not that what you want, but well, I've did something which might help. So in this bracket, maybe you might not understand. So this 0, 1, 2 is just, I'm just creating a structure where it's going to put this num into 0, this 1a into 1, this 1 into 2, and it's just a structure which I've created, right? So if you have any questions, make sure you get to the YouTube channel and ask me. I'll try my best to explain, or I'll try to make another video which is totally different. Cheers. I hope you have a good and blessed day. Happy programming to you all. Bye. Bonnie signing out.